Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Uway nong song shnong ga West Garo Hills ula Mudui di kamukaduma Public Interest Litigation na Meghalaya High Court Halor ka jingkelem ka kenro jong ka PA Sangma Sports Complex Hatura bala kenno bakadon ka jingshna torti yagani ka jaka. U amit ar marak udalaj Mudui hadin batang hundreu benai bala pli yaga stadium Shibenta jong ka kenro kala klem no aka arpo artrik ujleo arajar arpulai. Kani ka jing klem kala wanra ya ka jing tua kendo ka bajor bat ka bala kata ru ya ka madan yelek kai football la ong unong Mudui. Nalor kata ha ka jing Mudui la ka dau bu kontraktor bala pentrei ya ka kam udai ubom da don jing tip ha kumno ban pentrei ya ka jing tei ki ba he. La ka dau ru ba wat hadin bala dat ban pen i ya ki ba bon ki jing duna ha ka rukom shna ki bor sarkan ki badai kmi kila le kumbum ye i. Kai ka ba pausai kat kumunong Mudui kalong baga jingtei ke stadium kalong ka baduna hadu kata-kata bat ka bamyat bay. La kenok ru baki bor sarkar ki klem lek kmi hakapor bala pentrei ke stadium nakadaw ki bamla bantem. Ula kadaw ru ba ka jingtei ke sports complex kalong hadu shispa arpo hunyo klor tingka. Unong Mudui ula karpat bakadai bandon de ka jingtok kit ka babnya da ka kinhon ka balat loy lani da ka kinhon ka ban hap hapo ka jingkmi jong ka high court halor ka jingklem jong ka kenro bat ka rukom shna ya ka te ka madan yelek kai bat hadin kata ban le da ka pating yiki kontraktor bat yiki he sarkar ki ba hap shim jingkit kli nakaliang ka division bench jong ka high court haga sngi balang kalap tha bade ban ICT lani notice shabaro ki ba hap ban jubab ya ka te ka bukot duma ka high court kala ongru bagi Hindustan Steel Works Construction Limited kabadai kashnong jong ke NBCC India Limited kadai ban peni la u kontraktor ula bu ni ni ki jing ptha ha kabay dai bat kerkom shna ya ke stadium bat ka por bu kontraktor u yo ban penben ya ki jing duna ha ka jing tei muktiar jong nong Mudui u advocate Sujit de ula ong banalor ke stadium kila donru sa artli ki wei pat ki jing tei ki madan yelek kai harilum Garo ki bala kenno baga jing Trei kamnong satya ka Biang ha ka bay dei bat kini ki artli ki jing tei ru usujit de ula ong ba ansara de ki video ban pen i shakinong bishar ka high court
Take that road, only one single road. That one?
My client, Mr. Amit Armara, has approached the Honorable Court by way of filing a PIL, which has been registered as PIL number 5 of 2023. The matter was listed for motion today before the Honorable Division Bench of Meghalaya High Court. We have apprised the Honorable Court that how the separate parts of the integrated sport complex has collapsed. It appears that the construction was very poor, and at this stage it will not be proper for us to comment much because the matter is sub judice before the Honorable Court. The Honorable Court has taken note of it and issued notice to two of the respondents, respondent number 4 and 5 in the PIL. However, after the hearing, certain whistleblower has in fact provided us certain videos which appears from the video. It appears that a complaint was already filed before the appropriate authorities for the poor construction which has been carried out by contractor, but it appears that the complaint was not acknowledged or not taken into consideration by the appropriate authority. But I'm not here to comment on the complaints until unless I verify it personally or my client verify it personally. And we was also informed that one FIR was also lodged in connection with that. The villagers and some well-wishers from the Garo Hills has pointed out in number of occasions that the construction is being carried out in a very poor manner it should have been corrected if the allegation of the villagers was correct. So on the next date, those videos will take the permission of the Honorable Court to allow us to play those videos before the court. And it was also brought into our notice today that 2 more stadiums which has been constructed recently in different parts of Garo Hills, this kind of shady construction being carried out by the contractors, and it appears that construction is very poor, and that may lead to another collapse of certain portion of the stadium, of those stadiums. So we'll bring it to the notice of the Honorable Court in the next date. After a week, the matter will be listed. Respondent number 4 and 5 has to respond.